Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today video is going to be so beautiful because this video is related to Kolkata, and Kolkata is oldest capital of our India. And right now I am in Howrah station. This is Howrah station, and this is so crowded place, and here we can take train for going to any लोकेशन इन इंडिया। कहीं भी जाने के लिए आप यहाँ पर ट्रेन पकड़ सकते हैं।
Show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.